Yep. Almost 7 p.m. Still a little bright. Oh. Sunday here in Crescendo. It's alive. What I like about this place, it's, you know, it's an Ayala land estate, and this is what happens every weekend here. Alam mo yun, parang CCP, but it's Ayala version. There are many families gathering, you know, just for a small gathering. They just eat here for supper. Daming pamilya. They gather here every week. This is what's happening in Crescendo. Alam niyo yung mga Tarlakenyo, mga taga Northern, mostly farming, rice fields, mga trabaho ng mga yan. Hindi uso commute dito. Alam mo yun? Ayan, oh. May mga naka-Tesla pa nga dyan minsan. Buhay na buhay ang gabi kada Domingo. Yeah, boy. Oh. Side to side, puno. Parang may fiesta, parang may birthday. At marami pang dumadating.